Hi, welcome to a quick reset relaxation session with me. I'm Angel. You can call me Aunt Angel. These are my glasses. I can't see without them very well, but I don't need to see to relax and reset. And I can see enough to see. It's that time of day where the Head Hutt lights, the light is coming in the back of the Head Hutt is what I was trying to say. And as I mentioned, I'm here just to do a quick reset session, some relaxing breath work. I just started a new 100-day fitness challenge, and my focus in this next 100 days is those subtle nuances that make a big difference. So sort of the less is more philosophy. So I'll be focusing on smaller movements and a lot more breath work, more meditation, more sound healing, what might seem like subtler modes and methodologies. And that reminds me to remind you there's not one way to go about loving yourself, getting to know yourself better, checking in with yourself, and becoming more fit and more free. It's a process, not a destination. So let's get into a little bit of relaxation. I'm just going to jiggle a little bit out and then bring my awareness into my sits bones, where I got a nice pillow under me actually today. And get comfy and just relax into that for a few breaths, relaxing the shoulders. Just breathing regularly and smiling a little bit. I'm going to tip that tailbone under just a little bit, rolling the pelvis under, still checking in with the tailbone, lifting up through the spine, relaxing those shoulders, pushing the head back just a little bit so the ears are over the shoulders, and then tipping the head just a little bit, opening that space behind the head, between the head and the neck. And just breathing into that for a couple of breaths. Noticing how that feels. And then I'm going to do a couple of relaxing shoulder shrugs, breathing in and lifting the shoulders, tensing up. You can bring the arms and the fingers and even clench the toes and the pelvic floor. Breathing in a little bit more. And then just letting that go. Shake that out. I'm going to do that a couple more times and vary up the sigh on each time. So let's try it again. Breathing in, lifting the shoulders, pulling everything up, tensing up, breathing in a little bit more and a little bit more, and then nice long sigh. Again, I encourage you to just try out different noises, different sighs in your mind if you're not brave enough or free enough to do it where you are out loud yet. And again, one more time, breathing in, lifting the shoulders, lifting the pelvic floor, clenching the fingers and toes. Let's stretch the face even. Let all that out. Shake that out. Just releasing whatever no longer serves me. Let's do a little bit of a spinal twisting. I'm going to bring the left hand to the right knee and the right hand behind the body, close to the gluteal crevasse. It's a fancy name for your butt crack. And then twisting from the bottom to the top, through the pelvis, through the rib cage, through the shoulders, through the neck with the eyes, wringing all those organs out. Giving everybody a nice hug, a nice checking in on. Trying to focus the eyes back there behind the body. And then unwinding from the top to the bottom. Starting with the eyes, coming through the shoulders, through the torso, and into the pelvis. Give that a little shaking out, little shimmy. And now taking the right hand to the left knee and left hand in close to the body. And twisting from the bottom to the top. Through the pelvis, through the rib cage, through the shoulders with the eyes, looking behind the body, wringing the spine, wringing out all those internal organs. Give everybody a nice hug. And on an exhale, unwinding from the top to the bottom, coming back to the center, shaking that out. Shake out the hands. Let's do a little bit of little, medium, big circle with the hands here. Just checking in. As you can see from my brace, I've got some chronic stuff that's flaring up lately. Good sign that I'm not quite listening to my body well. I'm gonna do a better job of that. Continue to shake that out again. Let's put hands on shoulders and do medium circles, touching those elbows if possible. And getting the breath into it, breathing in, and then exhaling. Breathing in, exhaling, and then going the other way, breathing in. Shaking that out. Let's do some big circles, breathing in. Exhaling on the way down. Nice and big. As much space as possible with those circles. Let's go the other way. One more big circle. Coming back to center. I'm gonna do some tapping. I've been thinking about rhythm a lot lately and how valuable that is in the body. I was a body worker for 12 years, and I say was, but I recently realized I'm still a body worker, and I'm happy to be getting more active in that again, because it's something my body's been missing. Anyway, tapping like this on a lot of parts of the body, but especially on your arms and legs. I say especially, really all over the body. On there's different things like tapping harder or softer, or on the joints or on the muscles. Those things can potentially have different effects. But in general, tapping is a great way to just kind of either wake up or calm the body, to get in touch with the body, to check in with the body, to dissipate energy, to balance energy, to cross the arms and tap. It's actually fun and regulating. Might be surprised. Some tapping lightly with one or two fingers on the face can be a very calming, regulating, and again, way to check in. There's a lot of acupuncture points, energetic points, where the energetic meridians of the body get near the surface here in the face. You can kind of feel that. I'm just sort of randomly going through some points you might recognize if you've ever studied tapping and wanting to demonstrate. Yes, there are many, many great techniques, and I encourage you to look into them, especially if something resonates with you. Go a little deeper, but always start with where you are, and your hands, your body naturally knows how to heal itself. So the tendency to hug yourself, the tendency to rock, the tendency to tap or shake things out, those are all natural ways to dissipate stagnant energy and help move things through the body, which is a great way to get things going, get out of your own way, and allow healing to happen. There's my unsolicited advice and a nice stretch, hopefully strengthening, or stretching rather, not much strengthening in that one. Just a relaxing reset, checking in with the body. Body check. I thank you for being you and letting me be me. I remind you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the description if you want to find ways of connecting with me and supporting me. And I thank you if you do. As always, stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit, and stay free. Ciao for now.